بعد الفاصل ومكملين وفقرة بعنوان جمالك ببساطة مع ديفوتي ويونيفا. تميز عالمي بخبرات سعودية في مؤتمر Imcas بباريس في إنجاز غير مسبوق بيعكس كفاءات الخبرات السعودية. شركة ديفوتي بالتعاون مع شركة يونيفا الأمريكية شاركت في المؤتمر الدولي Imcas بباريس وقدمت 4 محاضرات عالمية عن وهي BDNs، تقنية واحد من أهم وأكبر الأحداث العالمية في مجال الطب والتجميل. وكانت من أهداف المشاركة تسليط الضوء على أحدث التطورات العلمية في عرض BDNs، تقنية التطبيقات العالمية للتقنية في الطب والتجميل، وتعزيز التعاون العالمي بين الخبرات السعودية والتكنولوجيا الأمريكية. وكان من الأطباء المشاركين الأستاذ الدكتور عبد الله العيسي قدم خبراته الطويلة في التطوير والابتكار، والدكتورة سلمى البرقاوي شاركت بأبحاثها المتميزة في طب الجلدية والتجميل، والدكتور عزام خليفة كان له دور بارز في نقل المعرفة العلمية على المستوى الدولي، والدكتور عبد الهادي الجفري أثبت من جديد مكانة الأطباء السعوديين بإنجازاته الكبيرة. وكان للحدث أهمية كبيرة، وهي عكس المشاركة السعودية بتعزيز مكانتها في المحافل الدولية، أكدت على قدرة الكفاءات السعودية في تقديم ابتكارات علمية عالمية في باريس Imcas، مؤتمر جمع خبرات طبية وتجميلية من كل العالم، ووجود الأطباء السعوديين فيه كان دليل واضح على التفوق العلمي اللي بتقدمه المملكة العربية السعودية في المجال ده. هروح معاكم هنشوف الفيديو اللي بيتكلم عن المؤتمر، وهرجع لكم تاني معايا مفاجأة جامدة قوي في الاستوديو.
Okay.
I just want to read you that, but you sound fake.
Amazing new technology with you, so that we can get into the scientific part of it. So I'll leave that to you, Dr. Aisa. Can you please get us started? We're so glad to be with you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And now we have the exosome as a communicator. They contain proteins, DNA, microRNA, and lipids and metabolites. So they contain crucial things which are important. So it's a carrier actually products between the cells. If you remember, it's a small release by all cells, carry DNA out. Well, exosome is not something new actually. We know that from 1967, where we had the platelet dust, where they thought it's a waste product of the cells itself. Exosome is a product of extravesicular cell. Extravesicular cells secrete 3 types of cells which causing the communication between the cell. They excrete from inside the cell to the outside. And they excrete
patients. And did you check what these extracellular vesicles contain? Do you know the ingredient of this cargo inside?
Yeah, are in the era of the exosomes. If you search in the PubMed, you will have like more than 40,000 paper in the last 2 years. It's the same amount of paper searched for Botox since the Botox war or the botulinum toxin was introduced. So it's a very, very interesting. It's not only for the regenerative medicine alone or the aesthetics, also for drug. In the Cica aesthetica, it's like 1.5 billion per 1 ml.
Now there is a relief regarding injection. Now there is a jet actually injection, where actually needleless they call it.
The talk is sponsored by Univa, Devote Aesthetic, and this is the product I use for pigmentation. Pigmentation is a big problem, especially in our area where it is very visible. It has a huge impact on the quality of life of patients. The talk is sponsored by Univa, Devote Aesthetic, and this is the product I use for pigmentation. Pigmentation is a big problem, especially in our area where it is very visible. It has a huge impact on the quality of life of patients. Chronic cause like melasma or other lentiginosis or other causes. We have to assess if the pigmentation is superficial where we need peeling and those creams that help in the peeling of the epidermis, or it is deep that we need to improve the pathogenesis of pigmentation and to limit them.
Can you explain the mechanism behind that or the reason behind that?
I'm going to transfer the question to Dr. Azam Khalifa. We look the same.
We have more evidence already, that's it. We have more evidence and more...
To hear about the plant extracted exosomes. I have a lot of repeated slides from the previous 3 talks, so I'm gonna make it more precise. Today I will be talking about the use of the plant-derived exosomes for treating scars, particularly acne scars, and also for rejuvenation. And I'm going to show you the evidence on that. So as you guys know, scar formation is resulted from more of excess collagen formation, and part of the actins that actually stimulate and improve the extracellular metrics. So it improves also hydration by increasing the hyaluronic acid, the fibrin and elastin, so the support of the